This is a DDAmanda video on Bioxytran Inc., symbol BIXT. And I've been watching this, we've been watching this one for quite some time, and they have a really, really interesting drug that they're working on. But I thought I'd start off this video with, some indicators and some uh, technical stuff that I've noticed here. The first one is this channel days. She is 8 days worth of channel. She's been in a channel 8 days. And the thing about a channel is, when a stock is in a channel, what'll happen is eventually it will break out of a channel. And when it does, it's usually very violent. In other words, when they break out, they go, you know, as a rule. So this is interesting. 8 days, that's a pretty long channel. And the other thing we have here is the drag ratio of 1.33. It's a positive drag ratio. And what that means is that she has a tendency to, she's 1.3 times more likely to go up than down. Okay? That's what this means. I'm not going to explain anymore. It's a proprietary thing that we came up with. So that's a very positive sign here. But let's look at up to all these videos so far, I haven't really showed you all of DDAmanda, and there's more involved. There's more to the screen than just this. So check this out. So here on the left we have our buttons. I say I push a button, and and that's all you have to do. Like I'm going to push this summary button. Oh, and in the middle is our scanner. We have different scans. They're on a pull down. They're all pre-populated, so you can pick a scan and run it. Uh, let's okay, I'm going to push the summary button. So let's look at a summary of this company. Okay, so Bioxytran is a clinical stage pharmaceutical company focused on development therapeutic to address hypoxia, which is lack of oxygen. But that's one thing. But here, this is the part that's really interesting. Our subsidiary, Pharmalectin, is focused on the development, manufacturing, commercial. Sorry about that. My loon. Therapeutic drugs designed to address viral diseases in humans. Okay. So they have developed a novel method designed to reduce viral load and modulate the immune system using this thing called galectin. Okay. So they have a leading drug candidate named Prolectin M, and this thing is amazing. This thing has got, you wouldn't believe the results on this. But they're still in, FDA clinical trial hell. But they've done some preliminary studies, and the results are just amazing. So let's get back to DDAmanda. And the next thing we're going to look at is the news. But this is the second take on this stupid video because the first one blew up on me. So I want to make sure I'm going to get all this so I don't have to do it 3 times. So I'm going to just close this and then we'll start again. Okay, that worked. Here's a couple other things on the. This is your daily activity. We have 200 days worth. Uh, we go all the way back to April of last year. So you can look at all the dollars traded. This is dollars traded in this column. Here's your 200-day low, 0971 back in December. Intraday 07. Wow. She went up 51% after that. So that you would have got an alert on that and probably might have got in and made some money on this. But right now, like I said, she's in this channel. But let's look at, I want to look at the news here. So again, all you have to do is push the news button right here, and your news pops up. So there's some pretty good news here, on the progress that they've made. But look at this one. I'm going to look at, is it this one? Oh yeah, here it is. Look at this. Okay, this drug, Prolactin M, look at this stuff, this shit. They had a recent clinical trial, and the drug achieved a 100% of negative PCR tests by day 7. PCR is a test they do for COVID. So 100% had a negative. In other words, this thing cured COVID. Okay, in 3 days, the drug achieved an 88% responders rate of negative PCR tests, which means no more COVID. Okay, uh, and the thing about this drug is it's not just limited to COVID. It addresses all viruses. Okay. Uh, they had some other trials on like a flu and some other viruses, but this stuff is magic, I guess. Um, and anyway, let's look at another news. Another news. Um, Here it is, broad spectrum. Look at this. In vitro demonstrates the PLM has the potential to be broad spectrum antiviral. Uh, Useful in treatment of URIs, upper respiratory, COVID, uh, of course. There's another one here on, oh, here it is, right here. Influenza, human respiratory virus. In other words, this thing doesn't care what, which virus, it just kills them all. It's just amazing. But like I said, they're still stuck in, uh, FDA, clinical trial hell. So right now, this may be like a longer term. But on the other hand, this channel has got me intrigued because all it takes is one. I mean, she hasn't traded very much. Look at this: $21,000, $28,000. Uh, Average here of $19,000 a day is your average. Um, but all it takes is a halfway serious investor to come in here and go, holy shit, look at this, and throw a few hundred grand at it, and this thing could go to shit, this could go to $1 with a few hundred grand. I mean, it's at 14 cents right now. So let me make this part two and make sure I got this one, and then I'll do a third one and combine them all. I'm on a roll. That one worked too. Hey. All right. So yeah, this channel and the fact that they have such an amazing drug. I mean, it's just crazy. Can you imagine? I just heard something about a new thing that they're working on in China. They got some kind of a brain disease. They got this virus from one of those pangolins, and of course they did the what do they call it, gain of function on it, and they injected it into mice that had they're called humanized mice, where they have some genes that are human, and they gave it to these mice, and 100% of them died. And the reason they do this humanized mice is so, it mimics being a human being. And they're going to kill all of us. You know that? This virus kills it's got a 100% mortality rate, judging by, the results on the mice. But anyway, you got a bunch of other buttons here you can push, filings. You got your SEC, push the chart button and it pops up a chart, you know. Uh, Anyway, I just wanted to show you some other stuff about DDAmanda. Oh, here's their, oh yeah, in the middle you can keep notes. Here's some pics I had and other notes to myself. So you can keep notes on this. But let's see what else. So it's like everything's on one page, like here. Here's your share structure. And this updates in real time. So like right here, it's just going to say ASO is updated. Okay, so right now they got 300 authorized million, 146 OS, 30 million float. They're in Nevada. Here's their market cap, 21 million. OTCQB. Here's my note. COVID cure pill from Mike. Mike's my buddy. He's the one who turned me on to this stock. So anyway, I wanted to show you some more stuff. Here's your scans. You can pick different scans, and you can learn more about that on our website. Uh, so I wanted to show you, tell you about this stock, and like I said, it may be longer term, but on the other hand, all it takes is a guy with some serious money to run across her and go, you know what, I'm gonna, I'm gonna put this in my bank account, and buys a $500,000 worth, or even 100 grand, and this thing will blow up. Okay, guys, the holiday's almost over. I hope you have a profitable week, and thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.